Today we're going to talk about clogged drains and what plumbers typically do to unclog them. We have here our sewer machine, which people frequently refer to as a snake. As you can see, it's a long cable that comes through this motor, and we're going to attempt to insert it into the sewer and down to the problem and attempt to unclog it. Sewers clog for a variety of reasons. Most frequently would be roots growing into the sewer. But they also clog because of misalignment of pipes or deterioration of the pipe that carries the sewage. So we put different attachments on to do this, and sometimes we use this bullet-headed attachment. And then if we think we can tear a lot of roots out, we'll put this big attachment on. Today we've got a small, thin attachment on to get down into that sewer to see if we can't get it open. And so Ray now is going to begin to insert the cable down and take it down to the clog and see if we can't get it unclogged. We've been unclogging sewers in the Pittsburgh area for over 45 years, and we've become experts at it. So if you have a problem with your drain, give us a call over at Sullivan Super Service.
Bizvids.